Fashion name. Really, these guys are killing it.
Woo!
Now, we have so many beautiful and unique names tonight, and this is probably one of them that I'm going to butcher. I apologize in advance. When you're a big superstar, you'll have the last laugh. Please welcome and say a prayer for me. From Zimbabwe.